guys, welcome back to my channel again. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can process your garri from cassava. Okay, so now if you live in diaspora or you live elsewhere that you don't garri is not accessible for you, or you crave for garri most of the time, even if you live in Nigeria and you don't know how to process it, I believe this video is going to be helpful to you. Okay, so this cassava, I got this from the farm, like from the local market where I live. So to process this garri, we first of all start off by peeling off this the bag, that is outermost part of this cassava. Okay, so now I'm going to peel off this, wash it and grate it first. The reason why I'm going to be grating it is because of to aid with the blending process. I'm not using a big machine. I'm not taking this to a place where I will grind it with a big machine. I'm going to be using my blender, and for me not to make the work harder for myself, I'm going to be grating it first. By grating it, when blending it, you're not going to add a lot of water. Okay, so let me just start with this video. Just relax and enjoy why I process this into garri. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and like and share our video if you find them helpful to you. And there are also a couple of videos in my channel you can as well check out. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, and let's get started. Okay, now I'm not using all this cassava for garri. I'm going to process it into your case. We're going to clean everything at once. So I just finished washing this. I'm going to be grating it now. Like I said before, like by grating it before grinding, it helps, it aid with the grinding process. Okay, yeah. So I've done grating this. This took me about I think close to 45 minutes to grate. So like I said, the reason why I grated this was to aid with the blending process, because I'm using my kitchen blender to blend this up. So but if you have a blender that has the capacity of blending hard stuff, you can still use it. You can still skip the process of grating. So now I'm going to be blending this up. Now instead of adding water, I won't be adding water because this is already grated. It's already in smaller sizes, so I'm just going to blend this up. So guys, this is the first batch I've just blended. You can see I didn't add much water. All right, I didn't add water because I've already grated it. That is the reason why I grated this before blending. So I'm going to take this out and continue with the blending process. Now this was after the blending. So this stage is when you need like a compressing machine to compress, to be able to compress it to remove the water. But since there is no compressing machine available, so I'm going to do it manually. So just chill, relax, and see how I squeeze out the water out of the starch, out of this. So I'm going to be transferring this starch into this bag now. So guys, this is it. You can see some of the water is already coming out. So I'm going to be pressing this with my hand to remove the water. This is really hard work. Hey guys, so this was like the second day of processing the Garri, right? So actually what happened was that I took this from the sack and I had to dry it a little bit under the sun so that it would be very dried, because if it's not that dried, you're going to get lumps when you are trying to when you're frying it. Okay, so that was why I took it out from though I tried my best to compress out the water yesterday, but because I'm doing it manually, it was kind of hard for me. So this morning I took it out from the bag and I spread it outside for the sun to dry it, and it's okay now. You can see it from the video. Right now I want to start sieving because there are still sticks. Yeah, so I'm going to sieve it out and start frying. Okay, please enjoy this video, relax and enjoy it, okay, because I'm excited about making this Garri, right? I'm really excited, so enjoy it. Okay, let's get started. So I'll be scooping some of the the Garri into this sieve. me add red oil. I'm going to add red oil when I'm frying it. But if you don't like red oil, if you prefer the white garlic, you can just skip the red oil and fry the red oil. So that's what I'm saying. Why you need to sieve it before frying. So this is some of the cassava that I didn't grind very well yesterday. So you can sieve it and take this one out. Now I'm done sieving this. You can see how it came out, and this is the chaff that I removed from it. You can see. So I'm going to be frying this now. So I'll be adding my garri into this pot.